Down, 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 da, 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 down, 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 da, 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 down. Welcome to Narwhal News Now. Today we have seen some small child report SpongeBob sighting. While he was out late at night getting a drink of water, he claims that he saw SpongeBob in his outside window. We don't know what to think of this, but he dialed 911 just in case. The reporters did say they saw some yellow square run by his house, but we're still suspicious. That's it for the SpongeBob sighting. Some hikers claimed that they were going fishing and they saw a white horse thing running by. They also later found that it had a horn. When they took a picture of it, they zoomed in and they found that. We don't know what to think of this monstrosity, but we're pretty sure it's a unicorn. Leprechaun sighting. One man, he claims while he was going to the bathroom in an outhouse, claims to hear an Irish accent singing, "Wear me gold." He went to his garage and found a small human-like being scourging through his garage, messing everything up and toppling things over. He claims that it had a green hat, green clothes, but it ran away so fast he couldn't really tell. That was it for this newscast. This is Narwhal News Now. This is Little Narwhal signing off.